We are to visit Isuanaocha today, and we are going to give you update of what is happening there. This is the second time we are going to bring to you Isuanaocha, but our movement is going to start from Thameside, because it's that same road that stretches from Thameside to Isuanaocha. But I was being alerted that that road was stopped, that work was not going on there. I said, okay, that I'm going to visit there to be sure of what is happening. Because in particular, that Okpuno side, the dust, the health challenges attached to the too much dust there is quite unspeakable. I said this thing during rainy season, that when dry season comes, people are going to, find it very difficult to, use that axis. And that is exactly what is happening here. People are not finding it easy to move along that place because of the health challenges of dust, excess dust along that axis. So let's go there and see. Yes, viewers, based on the suspected allegation that was leveled against the construction work, that the work was abandoned. Well, based on that, I want you to observe the road and see what is happening on this road. At each point, I want you to observe the level of work done so far. So let's keep moving. We are now along Obiokoli Street. This is a club street, the roundabout, and we are crossing it straight to Y Junction. So just make an observation, because we are going to analyze this situation. This axis we are moving now was asphalted, let's say about 2 weeks ago or close to. Then the other side, they came and leveled it. I thought by now they are supposed to have asphalted it, but it is still like that. So, but let's keep going. Just let's be making our observation, because we are going to make some, reasonable conclusion. Then another thing is that you can see where this one, the casting, see where it stopped. Another thing is that I don't know whether this project is a single project or is it divided somewhere. I don't know, but I know it's the same construction company that is handling it, which is a Niger Cat. Coming to Y Junction, if you are using this axis, just bear in mind that the road is almost cut into two because of that chamber. I think it's a culvert or chamber or whatever they are doing, water collection point or something. You have to be aware that this road is almost cut off, that people use the other side of the road to reconnect that side of a goodwill axis. But still there is a little opening here that people still manage. But if you are here, you may not find it easy to cross. That is the point. So you can see the ditch. What they are digging here has to do with water collection. But until we see the face of that work properly, then we can give it a proper name. So we've now passed that place and we are moving towards Isuanaocha. So now we keep making our observation to see people on site. We have seen where they are digging that ditch, and we are still observing other axes. Let's see the number of people we can see on the site. Even those ones we see, digging the ground, I think it's just the white man there and the person operating the excavator. So, but what I don't know actually, if this project is double, if it is two, as in this Thameside axis to Y junction or so is different from the other side. You can see if there is any worker around here. Just I told you to observe if there is any worker you can see around here. For me, I have not seen any person except that white man and the person operating the excavator towards that end. So from here now, I can notice some people walking. You can see on the gutters, you see them, doing one or two things inside the gutter. So that still brings to the question if this work is divided into two and the money paid separately. I don't know because I have reason for saying that. You see, the other side from that Thames side to the second Y junction, there is nothing happening there. Virtually, there is nothing happening there. And even though there are still work to be done, the other side is yet to be asphalted, and dust is disturbing people along that axis. Then towards that Y junction and the second Y junction, nothing is happening there. Even if it's demarcation work, nothing is happening there. Not to talk of asphalting it. Well, I don't know the reasons for them to, abandon that axis, but probably it could be that the supplies for asphalt, it has not arrived. I don't know. It could be it because they've almost, leveled up that the other side that they asphalted. The other end, the other side is about to be asphalted when they left that place like that. And up till now, nothing is happening there towards that second Y junction. So that is the point. Also, the information we got was that place they are digging something, it was abandoned for like 5 days, before they resumed digging. That is from a very reliable source. So, but that is not the point. There could be challenges here and there when it comes to construction. So, but let's keep going. We are heading towards Isuanaocha junction. From there, we'll head down towards Kaba. We are tracing this road construction from where it stands and where it ended. Yes, this place is witnessing very serious work going on this axis. As you can see, the workers are very, very much present on the site, doing one thing or the other. So, but we are still moving down to Isu Junction. So here now is Isu Junction. Straight you are going to Mbako. Left turn you are going to Kaba. That is where the road construction is going on. And from that Kaba side you are moving down to Amanuke. Amanuke is towards this side, down. So now this axis is also witnessing serious construction work going on here. This axis is witnessing a very serious work going on here, majorly in terms of constructing of gutters, the drainage system. That is what exactly is going on here, but seems like the whole lot of workers are focused here. So now this is the Ekaba junction, or whatever they called it. I think it's Ekaba junction, and for now this is where the construction work stopped. So but I want you to observe this. I noticed it anyway, and somebody has complained about it earlier. There is this unusual tiny, the gutters, the concrete, the size of the gutters are too tiny. I decided to have a closer look, and lo and behold, is a bit tinier than what it used to be. Well, I don't know if the mixture is quite a different and strong mixture of concrete that made them to do it that way. I don't know. So, but this is just a very, very honest observation on the construction work that is going on. Thank you. Yes, we are not done yet, because there is this particular axis that we need to update you what is happening there. Though we have scratched it a bit, but now you are going to see it in details what is going on, that you need to take precaution and know what to do in case if you are passing through that axis for now. So, but in case if you are moving to Thameside axis, that's through Y Junction coming from Isu, you are going to meet this situation, just exactly this. So what you are going to do is either you be patient, follow straight here and divert, or you enter, face the other traffic and follow Goodwill. Then from Goodwill you are going to turn back into the other end of Y Junction. I will show you. So what happened is that we decided to move down towards that Y Junction a bit to be sure of what is happening there, so that if you are giving information, you give proper information. So upon moving down there, this is what we So we discovered that vehicles are turning to move down to the Goodwill Junction. So we are back now to Goodwill Junction, and we are about to follow inside the Goodwill to cut that Y Junction axis off, and this is where we followed. So now we are back to Y Junction, and this is where we call it a day. Bye for